Bonjour mes élèves, welcome to chapter 13, Workbook Pages. I'm sorry that here at the end of the year when things have gotten really hard with French that now you're having to kind of learn it on your own. So we're just going to do the very best that we can. Let's take a look at our pick and pronouns section. We have to choose. Are we going to use tu, toi, stressed subject? Okay, what's the right choice? So let's review our stressed pronouns options. We use them when we want to give emphasis. We use them when they are the object of a preposition, right? That OP. We use them when they're part of a multi-person subject, more than one subject. And we use them when they're part of short expressions that aren't a complete sentence. And they give us examples. Et toi, comme elle, pas moi. Okay, those are when we use them. Just certain cases, that object of the preposition, that's a really important one to remember. All right, so let's look. In some of the following sentences, you will need to circle the correct pronoun to fill in the blank. In other sentences, you will need to circle whether the pronoun used in the sentence is a stressed pronoun or a subject pronoun. You can use your chart for that, right? In still other sentences, you'll need to do both. We've provided two examples for you. They give us example. Nous ne voulons pas aller au musée sans. Do we use tu or toi? Well, sans, that's a preposition. So we got a little prepositional phrase here. We're going to use toi, sans toi. Jean aime parler avec Aurélie. Il aime aussi marcher avec elle. Okay, here we have with, right, preposition, and we have an object of the preposition. So our stressed pronoun in this case just so happens to be the same as a subject pronoun. It looks the same. So, well, one of the only cases, right, we have nous, vous, elle, which are the same. But in this case, it's the object of a preposition, so it's stressed. Okay, numéro 1. N'a pas voulu jouer avec. Oh, il n'a pas voulu jouer avec. Ooh, I see avec. It's a preposition, right? So we're going to choose an object of the preposition. And our object will be a stressed pronoun. So our choices are e and il. We'll use e. That is our stressed pronoun choice. Numéro 2. Vous devez faire attention. Okay, we are calling attention to the word. You better pay attention, right? That is stressed. Toi, blank, pense que le marché va fermer. Okay. So here we're needing a subject, right? We need to choose the subject pronoun. Je pense. Okay. Numéro 4. Je ne parle pas à blank. Uh-oh, we have a preposition, right? We're going to need to choose an object of the preposition. In this case, we have our choices of lui or à il. And we need the stressed one, right? Which would be lui. Je parle à. Okay, so once again, we have a preposition. We need an object of the preposition. Je parle à. Toi or tu would be stressed. Toi, right? Numéro 5. Blank n'est jamais retourné. We're looking for a subject. And we will choose il, right? We have to have a subject. Numéro 6. Nous savons comment aller à la ville. Okay, there we have two subjects, right? Which means nous. Are we giving emphasis? Yes, we are. So we're using a stressed pronoun. 7. Pourquoi est-ce que tu étudies à côté d'elle? Elle part toujours. À côté d'elle. Okay, oh, I guess I should have done this one, right? Next to, which is a preposition. Elle. So anytime we've got a preposition, we've got an object of the preposition. Object is stressed. 8. Regarde, les chats marchent très près de something. Very, right? Close to. What do I see here? I see a preposition. I need to choose a stressed pronoun. Moi or je? Moi, as my object of the preposition. Grammar's everywhere, right? 9. Blank. Ils ne connaissent pas ma famille. Okay. So we have a subject, which is il. So what we're doing here is we're stressing our subject. So we need to choose the stressed pronoun, which would be eux. Ils ne connaissent pas ma famille. Numéro 10. O, blank, a acheté un cadeau pour blank. Okay. O, we need a subject, don't we? So we're looking for our subject pronoun tu. Tu as acheté, you bought un cadeau, a gift, pour, for. I see a preposition. I'm looking for an object of the preposition, which would be a stressed pronoun. Moi is the stressed pronoun. Say it aloud. Translate the following sentences from French to English, and then go back and say each original French sentence out loud. Okay, so numéro 1. You might want to say it with me. Quand est-ce que tu as parlé avec lui? And the translation is, when did you speak with him? Numéro 2. Toi, tu as fait un voyage magnifique. Faire un voyage, excusez-moi, go on a trip. So you, right, stressed, you went on a magnificent trip! Exclamation point. Numéro 3. Je vais jouer avec eux. I am going, right, or will play. We have the future. Vais jouer with eux. Eux is them. Period. This thing has a hard time with dots. Numéro 4. Est-ce que vous allez partir sans moi? Okay, question word. And then vous allez partir. I see future again. Oh. I was going to say, are you going? Will you leave without me? Numéro 5. Elles sont arrivées ce matin. Okay, we have a stressed pronoun, right? They, the girls, they sont arrivées, past tense, arrived ce matin, this morning. Numéro 6. Je pense que son chat a peur de toi. Okay, I think that. Son chat could be his or her. We don't know which. I'll say her cat. A peur de is afraid of. We have of, right? Toi, you. preposition, object of the preposition. Numéro 7. Il est méchant. Vous devez faire attention à lui. Okay. Il est méchant. Méchant, do we remember that? He is mean. Okay. Vous devez, you should, faire attention, pay attention, or watch out for. À lui, preposition, object of the preposition, to him. Période, oh là là, and I changed the page. Bon, grammaire. Circle or fill in the correct answer. Fix the following chart by crossing out the incorrect French translations and writing the correct translations in the blanks provided. We've done the first cell for you. First person, me, à moi, right? That's the stressed. You, à moi. Non. We would say toi. That's the stressed. Him, à elle. Non. Him changes to lui, right? In French. Her, à nous. Non, c'est bizarre. Her just stays elle en français. Us, à vous. It's crazy talk. Nous. You, à elle. Nope. Vous, plural. It stays vous. Look at these ones that stay the same. Elle, nous, vous. Them, masculine, à toi. No, à eux. Them, feminine, à lui. No, bizarre. Elle. Okay, so we have a few that stay the same in stressed form, but just a few. Circle the correct answer. The chart that you just corrected shows the only possible ways to translate the words moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, and elle to English. Is that correct? We can only say moi is me. No. It's not correct. It all depends on how it's being used in the sentence, right? Stressed pronouns can stress a subject. And we wouldn't say, her, she does this. No, that's not grammatically correct, right? We'd say, she does this. When we're stressing it in English, it's kind of bizarre to us. Bizarre. It's strange to us in English. We don't do it a lot, but they do it in French. Numéro 3. A stressed pronoun such as moi, toi, lui, etc. is always used after a and an, verb, adjective, conjugation, that's just a strange answer, or preposition. What did we just talk about? I've been picking out prepositions, right? And telling you, oh, look at that stressed pronoun after that preposition, object of the preposition. Numéro 4. Why would you repeat the pronoun elle in the following sentence? Elle est intelligente. Is it to emphasize or underline the idea that she is really smart? Is it because the sentence is actually a question? Is it because repeating the word is more polite, more formal? Or is it because you're talking about two different girls, so you need two different pronouns? Oh, c'est bizarre. No, it's to emphasize or underline the fact that she really is smart. She is smart, right? Numéro 5. Which one of these words does not belong? Moi, tu, lui, eux. Which one of these, in other words, is not a stressed pronoun? Tu. That would be toi, right, if it were correct. Dot. Numéro 6. I'm going to fight with this thing to the death. Numéro 6. How could you say, he and his friend know how to sing in French? Il et son ami savent chanter. Il et lui ami savent chanter. Lui et son ami savent chanter. Ils savent chanter. Remember, When it's used as part of a multi-subject, we always use the stressed pronoun. Okay, we'd say lui et son ami, right? We don't change this. It'd still be his friend, right? Son ami. But instead of saying il et son ami, non, we say lui et son ami savent chanter. Si. 7. In which of the following cases would it be incorrect to translate moi as me? Okay. Il ne veut pas parler avec moi. Okay, let's check out this one. We have a preposition. We have an object of the preposition. That's correct. Elles ont peur de moi. Preposition, object of the preposition. Correct. Sans moi, vous n'allez jamais réussir. Okay, what do we have there? Sans moi. Sans moi. Without me, yeah, that's correct, right? Without, we have a preposition and an object of the preposition, without me. Okay. Numéro 10. Ma sœur et moi, nous aimons courir dans notre maison. My sister and me, we like to run in our house. My sister and me, no. We would say I in English, right? My sister and I, we like to. So D, we would not translate moi as me. No. Okay, students, very good job. Thank you for hanging in there with French. And I wanted to tell you that we'll continue on to the next chapter next week. However, this is kind of for you to do if you want to, okay? I want you to have the benefit of looking at Professor Kraut's videos before they turn them off. I don't know when you're going to lose access to that. And I want you to be able to go through and learn the rest of the grammar in chapters 14 and 15 if you want to, okay? Of course I want to. Oui, bien sûr, certainly, right? But if you are lost or confused, I totally get it if you don't want to keep going, okay? But I do encourage you to keep going, and I'm always here to answer questions to help you out with it and to help you understand, all right? Otherwise, this is the last of our French lessons for the year. You will turn in your quiz pages on Friday, and I wish you very good luck in your future French studies, guys. All right? Bye.